Yes, student, today we're going to solve a linear equation in one variable, some a little complicated which we have done before. So let us take some example. Solve. Number first part, suppose we have to solve x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Here we are observing the term in x on the both side and without x on the both sides. So the same process we have to follow. We have to take both the x term on one side. This will remain here, plus x by 3 will change into minus x by 3 on another side. 1 by 4 will remain here and this will move to the another side. Changing its sign, it will be plus 1 by 5. Now take the LCM. 2 into 3 will give 6. For making the denominator 6, we have to multiply by 3. So numerator will be changed 3x. For making it equal to 6, we have to multiply by 2. So its numerator will be changed into 2x. The same way we have to find the LCM. So this will be 5 4 20. For making the denominator 20, we have to multiply it by 5. And for making it 20, we have to multiply by 4. So its numerator become 5. This is plus 4 1 4. Now according to the sign rule, they will be subtracted. This will give 1x, no need to write 1. Bigger number is in positive, so it will be in plus sign. 5 plus 4 will give 9 upon 20. Now take 6 to the another side. It is in division, so it will move to the multiplication. Check out the basic calculation. Both are cancelled by the table of 2. 2 3 6, 2 10. So this is giving 9 3 27 upon 10. So here we are getting the value x equal to 27 upon 10. Second example. X minus 5 equal x minus 5 upon 3 equal to x minus 3 upon 5. Here we have x with in combination with 5 and both have the denominator 3. X minus 3 on the another side, both have the denominator 5. So unless and until we are going to remove the denominator, their common denominator, we cannot split them separately, because 5 is in combination here, 3 is in combination here. So first of all we have to remove the denominator. So how it will be? We have to multiply this 5 on the left hand side, because it is in division over here, and this division on the right hand side. 3x minus 3. Now open the bracket, multiplying the term, this will give 5x plus minus minus 5 5s are 25 plus 3 into x 3x plus minus minus 3 3s are 9. Now take the variable term on one side, plus will be changed into minus 3x minus 9. This will move with plus 25. Or according to the sign rule, this will give 2x. Since bigger number is in positive, so it will be in positive sign. Both are in opposite. 25 minus 9, it will give 16, and bigger number is in positive, so it will be in positive sign. So this will give x equal to 16 divided by 2. With the table of 2 we can cancel, so we are getting the value of x equal to 8. So here the value of x is 8. Now let us move to the third example. A little looking complicated, but it is very easy, following the same rule. Here we have 3 terms which are having x and 2 terms without variable. So we have to take all the 3 terms on one side which are having x. So we are taking it on the left hand side. These 2 will remain with the same sign. Minus 5x will move with the plus sign. This will 17 by 6 in the same sign, plus 7 with minus 7. Now take the LCM of all the 3. Here the denominator is 1, 3 and 2. When we take the LCM of all the 3, 3 and 2 both comes in the table of different numbers. So when we take their LCM, it will be the multiple of these two, 3 to 6. So we have to make the denominator of all the 3 as 6. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator of the first term by 6. So it will change into 6s. For making it equal to 6, we have to multiply by 2 numerator also. So it will change into 16x. It is in negative, put the negative sign. For making it equal to 6, we have to multiply by 3. So numerator will also be multiplied. 5 3 15x. Now the same process we have to follow. Here the denominator is 1. When we take the LCM, it will be 6. It is already 6, so no need to multiply it by any number. For making it equal to 6, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 6. 7 6 42. Same sign we will get. Now according to the sign rule, we have to solve. How we're going to solve? First we're going to identify the term in same sign. This is plus and this is also in plus. So plus plus plus. 6 plus 15 will give 21. Let us write it at the side of the rough. This will get 21x. It will be in positive sign. Now next term is left, minus 16x. Both are in opposite. It means they are to be subtracted. So this will give 5x. And bigger number is in positive, so this will be in positive sign. So after calculating all the three, we are getting 5x. Subtracting both of them, we are getting 5 25. This is negative, so minus 6. Now for finding the value of x, we have to transpose both of them to the another side. 6 will move to the multiplication and 5 to the division. 6 will be cancelled. 5 5 is 25. Multiplying minus 5 into 5. So here we are getting the value of x equal to minus 5. So this way we can calculate the linear equation following the rule. How much complicated it look, but if you follow the rule, they will be very easy for you. Thank you.